Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a group chat on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Play Store and update your TikTok application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go and open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok application, you simply need to click on inbox in the bottom corner, and then you need to click on the icon in the top right, and then you need to select people and click on chat, and here you can chat. So let me send a message, and here you can see that top right you will click on select a group chat, and you can also create select any group chat from here, and you can see that create a new chat. Click on that on the top and you will also create a group chat, and you can select a group chat from here also. So this is the process by which you can create a group chat on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.